I recently sailed the beautiful Celebrity Silhouette, and I want to share 5 things I loved about this ship. Number 5, the casino. The casino is smoke-free, which makes for a more pleasant experience. They have the latest slot machines and a variety of table games. Unfortunately, they also have my money. Number 4, Blue Restaurant. Blue Restaurant is for the Aqua Class guest and is a complete pleasure of a dining experience. The service is exceptional, the atmosphere is inviting, and the food is a work of art, in presentation and in taste. Blue is my favorite dining experience at sea. Number 3 on my favorite things about Celebrity Silhouette is Cafe Al Baccio. They have an entire menu of options for any coffee aficionado. Not only do they have tons of choices, they have plenty of seating for you to relax and enjoy your coffee. My favorite is the Cafe Mocha. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Next on my list of favorite things on the Celebrity Silhouette is the theater and shows. With a combination of music, dance, singing, and acrobats, it's a thrill for me to watch and enjoy. And when they combine the acrobats with the singing, it's next level.
We kissed, I fell under your spell, a love no one can deny.
Celebrities acrobats add a touch of class and elegance. Watching them can be an emotional and moving experience. Another thing I like about the Celebrity Silhouette is the Martini Bar. The Martini Bar is the hub of most celebrity ships. The bartenders are amazing and the drinks are delicious. It's no wonder why the Martini Bar is the hub of the ship, because the bartenders and the drinks are so amazing. The next thing that I love about Celebrity Silhouette is the Persian Garden. The Persian Garden is a space to relax and let the stress of the day melt away. Another thing that I love about Celebrity is the chocolates on the pillows at night. It's wonderful. And finally, I love Silhouette's balcony cabins and, in particular, the beds. They sleep so well. There you have it, my 5 favorite things about Celebrity Silhouette and a couple of extras. What are your favorite things about Silhouette? Let me know in the comments.